I am Milaya Kumar, working as an assistant professor in Department of Physics in St. Joseph College of Arts and Science. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the Debye's theory of normal Zeeman effect. So Debye explained the normal Zeeman effect taking into account the concept of electron spin. So in this normal Zeeman effect, we can neglect the spin motion of the electron. So that here we taken the orbital angular momentum of the electron as capital L equal to small l into h cross, equation number 1. Then magnetic momentum of the electron, which is given by mu L equal to L into h cross E by 2m. It gives E by 2m into capital L, equation number 2. Next, what is meant by Larmor precision? Larmor precision is nothing but the vector 1 precises around the direction of the magnetic field as axis when applied the magnetic field B. Once the magnetic field applied, the vector 1 precises around the direction of the magnetic field taken as axis. Then we can write the frequency of Larmor precision, that is omega equal to BE by 2m. In this, capital B, which represents the magnetic field, small e as the charge of the electron, then small m be the mass of the electron. The additional energy of the electron due to this precessional motion, which is given by del E equal to mu L capital B into cos theta. So we know the value for mu L, that is E by 2m L into h cross. Substitute this mu L value into this above equation, we get BE by 2m h cross L cos theta. But omega equal to BE by 2m. Then L cos theta is nothing but a projection of 1 on B. We may write as ML. So we can get del E equal to ML E h cross by 2m B. So that M1 omega h cross, equation number 4. We know the value for omega as omega equal to BE by 2m. Next, now ML, which gives the 2L plus 1 values from the range plus L to minus L. Therefore, a single energy level split into 2L plus 1 values by an external magnetic field. D state gives the L equal to 2 is split into 5 sublevels. In D state, for L equal to 2 is split into 5 sublevels. For P state, L equal to 1 is split into 3 sublevels. That is the difference between D state and P state. Then E naught dash, which represents the energy of the level L equal to 1 in the absence of magnetic field, where E dash B, which gives the energy in presence of magnetic field. So we can write as E dash B equal to E naught dash plus del E dash equal to E naught dash plus ML dash E h cross by 2m into B, equation number 5. Similarly, if E naught double dash and EB double dash, which gives the energy of the level for L equal to 2 without and with the magnetic field respectively, then we may write as E double dash B, which is equal to E double dash E naught plus del E double dash, which is equal to E naught double dash plus ml double dash E h cross by 2m B gives us equation number 6. The quantity of energy radiated in the presence of magnetic field is given by E double dash B minus E dash B equal to E naught double dash minus E naught dash plus ml double dash minus ml dash into E h cross by 2m capital B. So we may write as, which is equal to E double dash minus E naught plus ml double dash minus ml dash E h by 4 pi m B. Since h cross equal to h by 2 pi, here we get there is a E h by 4 pi m into B, where difference in energy level which is equal to h nu. So here we put, instead of E double dash B minus E dash B equal to h nu equal to h v naught plus del ml E h by 4 pi m into B. So here we commonly taken the h value. So we can get nu equal to nu naught plus del m L E by 4 pi m into capital B, equation number 7, where nu is the frequency of the radiation emitted with the magnetic field. Nu naught be the frequency of the radiation in the absence of the magnetic field. So now we go for the selection rule for ML is equal to 0 or plus or minus 1. Hence the three possible lines are occurred. First one, nu 1 equal to nu naught for del ml equal to 0, equation number 8. Then nu 2 equal to nu naught plus E by 4 pi m capital B for del ml equal to 0. Then nu 3 equal to nu naught minus E by 4 pi m B for del ml equal to minus 1, equation 10. Although there are 9 possible transitions, they are grouped into only 3 different frequency components as indicated by equations 8, 9 and 10. For 3 transitions in a bracket, change in the value of del ml is the same and hence they represent same change and a single line. So there is a 3 frequency value for del ml equal to 0, del ml equal to plus 1 and del ml equal to minus 1. Del ml equal to 0 put as equation number 8. For del ml equal to plus 1, equation number 9. Del ml equal to minus 1 for frequency nu 3. Put as equation number 10. So there are 9 possible transitions. So altogether grouped into only 3 different frequency components, which are indicated by those above 3 equations 8, 9, 10. So in this video we explained the concept of normal Zeeman effect with the help of orbital angular momentum and magnetic momentum of an electron. Then finally we can estimate the 3 possible frequency for the lines nu 1, nu 2 and nu 3 with the application of selections rule del ml equal to 0 or plus or minus 1. Students,